Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word insecure. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. After receiving harsh criticism from her boss, she began to feel insecure about her abilities at work. Insecure means feeling uncertain, anxious, or lacking confidence in oneself, often resulting from self-doubt or fear of judgment or rejection. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.